It takes a couple of weeks, but they'll grow back in. A week or two. I just feel like because this color, I wasn't going to overdo it on the mascara, but then you know me. I say that and I'll probably do at least 6 coats. Just kidding. Whoever's going 6 coats, I'm not watching her anymore. That's just wrong. Okay. Well, bless your heart. 6 coat bothering her. Alright. Wiggle, wiggle down. Wiggle down, down. Wiggle, wiggle down. Wiggle down, down. That's my song. I can't get in trouble with YouTube. Whoa. That was a big old gunk. Alright, whenever you have a booby that big, it's just sitting there on my lash. That's going to be a big mess if I don't fix this. I use my little Face Secrets cotton buds. I always keep them right beside me when I'm doing my makeup because there's always going to be a reason to use one. That got all over my lid. Look, took it right off. That big gunk. And I use the other end, perfect for getting another big hunk off. Yeah, too much came out on that. And luckily I have a little tissue that's going in the trash can right there. Let's make sure we tip off the end of this. So there's not quite so much. There we go. That's a little better. Yes. Yes, yes. Velvet, what is it? Is somebody getting in their car? And you just let me know? Okay, you just let me know. Thank you. I appreciate it, my little alarm doggy. You'll never fuss at your dogs for barking about something that's going on outside. That's what you want them to do. You want them to let you know when something's happening outside. And if it doesn't bother you, that's fine, but still thank them. Because they really do understand the concept of thank you, and they will help you again when there's a noise outside that you may need to take a peek and see what that one is. Yeah. I am going to tip the lashes on the lower side because I do like my lower lashes to show up. I know some people don't. I do. And I really feel like that's it. I feel like that's it. That's my look for the day. I think I did liner. I blended. I did lashes. I run over. I did blush. I didn't need to do contour because of this blush color. It's got kind of a dark peach in it, so I don't need a brown contour in this. I think that's it. What do you think? And there's my hair. There's my look. Let's have a cup of coffee together. What should we talk about since I've run over already? I never even used my eyelash curler, but I do love this Charlotte Tilbury one. But it's expensive, and I could tell you the CoverGirl one is another one that's really good. Okay, so that's dirty. It's time to take that with me and have that clean, get a clean towel. What else is I going to do with you guys? I don't know. So, why don't we have a quick read of the Bible? Or a devotional. You want to do devotion? Let's do that. Oh my gosh, my devotional is on the very bottom stack of all these Bibles. Oh my gosh, it's a lot of Bibles. It's too many Bibles. No, there's never too many. But I do need to give some away. You can have too many for you to use. Some of you may go, why do you have so many? Because I use them for the different study helps and sometimes different translations. I have one Bible that is nothing but, it's somewhere in here actually, I think, 8 translations. So you can look at any one verse in different translations and see, kind of get a better rounded view of what it means. And what you find out from looking at the different translations is it says the exact same thing, except for paraphrases. Paraphrases like the Message or the Living Bible are a paraphrase. A paraphrase means somebody has not usually a group of people, usually it's a person who has come in and read it and then kind of rephrased it without losing the meaning. And you just hope they really didn't. I feel like the Living Bible did a good job of that, and I, for the most part, think the Message does a pretty good job of that. Just remember, it is a paraphrase, and you should read it. If you're studying, you should read it in another translation as well to make sure you totally got the gist of it. But anyway, so I'm going to use today's reading from Jesus Calling. Did you think you'd get a devotion out of this? Let's look at today is the 14th, March 14th. Okay, so this is